Skittles. Guys, he's eating a Skittles. You should see how he's been eating. What are you looking for? His third Skittle. Max, you must be ready. He turned a yellow Skittle into a green Skittle. That's so awesome! Say bye, guys. See you on the next vlog. Bye, guys. And Max, let's go. Peace out. Woo!